Chicken breast.
Hey!
No, don't come in!
Come on, I've been on before.
Bridge Rage's Chicken Bites brings out your carnivorous side.